So we get quite a few emails from companies that want to send us free products to test and then do reviews on them via social media. And to be honest, most of the time, it's items that we're just not interested in receiving and doing a review on, or we have expressed interest. They've sent us the items and we didn't like them, so we just didn't publish them at all. But then I got an email from a company called XNITO that wanted to send us something that we would probably use quite a bit, and that's e-bike helmets. And they actually look pretty nice. So they shipped them to us. They just arrived, and we're gonna go pick them up right now. You need my knife?
No.
No. Ooh, bubble wrap.
Yes, bubble. There's 2 in here.
Yeah, so they sent each of us one.
Sweet.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Here. Yeah.
An old school collection. All right. So I think I got this one with the rainbow on it, if I remember.
A rainbow?
The box is light. I was a little worried that they were going to be kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Like more like a motorcycle helmet. So.
But they're pretty light, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Very light.
Cool. Ooh, look at that.
Look at that.
Retro.
It is. I like that. Oh, it's got a light right there. I don't know how you turn it on. I guess we'll have to figure that out.
Maybe it's on the back?
Maybe.
Button somewhere?
Somewhere here. Oh, and there's a light on the front.
So there's a light on the front and the back.
Oh, some accessories. Oh, there's a cord here, so I bet you that's for
Charging cord?
charging.
Ah, for the lights.
You know, operator here. Gotta figure out how to unlatch it. Oh, it slides.
Ah.
Kind of have a big noggin, so.
How's it feel?
Feels comfortable. It doesn't feel very heavy at all.
That's good.
I know, I gotta get used to this latching system here. Looks like it slides up. So that's one thing.
It's just different from
It's
Arcena's.
just different, yeah.
While you're messing with this, let's see if I can get this light to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Got it?
As soon as you, of course.
Ah. We'll have to do a night test so you can actually see it. There you go. So it's got a light, blinking red light on the back. And then, yep, that's lit up too. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Is
Cool.
And then the accessories, I guess, to charge it. And then it says it's only 0.83. It's less than a pound.
Oh, nice.
So it doesn't feel tight at all.
What's the accessory it came with?
It looks like the front, like a little,
Oh, visor?
probably something to pad this front.
Oh, it's like a hat almost.
Yeah. Like a little visor.
Does it go on the inside?
I assume it, maybe, what is
Goes
this?
like this, I
oh. Well, hold on. Because they have this. So it velcros down on, so I bet you it goes like this. It's got a
Oh,
little,
you gotta take those off. All right, let's see the one I got. They got like 6 or 7 different ones that you can choose from.
I'm getting the hang of this now.
Got the visor installed.
Yep. Definitely need the visor.
Look at that. So it comes with a visor, it comes with a charging cord. Yeah, nice.
So that would match my bike, and this would actually match your bike.
Should we switch?
No, it's all right.
We can.
Nah, I don't think it really matters.
It does have a tightening, so you can tighten it up for your small heads or your big heads.
We got big heads.
So to install the visor, you actually have to remove this piece in the front first. That bad boy. It does come with some extra little Velcro latches there. And you stick this where you just took that other piece out. Cool.
What's nice about that is you can take these off and wash them.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. These are light. The company first reached out to us and I was looking at their website to kind of get an idea what the helmets they wanted to send us, what they look like. They look heavy. I honestly thought they were gonna be like motorcycle helmets and heavy, and I thought maybe, my neck's probably gonna hurt, but these are actually really light. Yeah, they definitely got a funky latch system to them.
Yeah.
You gotta get used to
We're
that.
trying to
Fumble around and try to get this
that
thing
latch.
latched. All right,
That'll have
so
to
it
be-
just slides this way. There we go.
So these are
There
designed
we
for
go.
higher speed e-bikes and
Yeah.
stuff. So if you really wanted to do some serious speed off-roading, I guess you could. That's not really my speed, but I mean sometimes.
So up to 28 miles per hour these are rated for. So these aren't your normal, just regular old bicycle helmets.
Right.
I mean, of course people can go 28 miles an hour on a regular bicycle, but on e-bikes obviously it's much easier. Probably more, happens probably a lot more. So. Cool.
I like the lights
I do too.
because
So the
that's
button's
one
on the
thing.
back.
Yeah, up higher. And there's 3 different ones. There's like a blinking, a steady, and then one that kind of goes all around. So it's kind of neat.
Cool.
Have to definitely try them out when it's dark.
I can tell you though, there's one thing that I don't like about these helmets.
I already know what it is.
No Bluetooth.
No Bluetooth.
Yeah. And which wouldn't be a big deal at all if you're out riding by yourself, but we usually ride together and we talk to each other via
Right.
Bluetooth, so. All right, guys, we've had these helmets for a couple months now. We've gone on a few rides, and so we have a list of pros and cons here that we want to talk to you about. And we'll start out with the pros. All right, so the first pro that we really liked about these helmets is the fact that they have lights on them. So you got a light on the front, and you've got a light on the rear that's got 3 different modes. It's got 2 different kind of flashing modes and then solid red mode. The front light is really meant to replace the headlight on your bike, but it does provide some light and it's more for safety. When you do purchase the helmet, it does come with the charging cable for the lights, and it does provide about 10 hours of charge time, so that's pretty good.
Another great thing about these is there's a lifetime guarantee for crash protection. So if you do crash and you jack up your helmet, you get a free replacement. So once you get your helmets in the mail, you just go to the website and you register your helmet.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
That is awesome. I've crashed a few times. Never that bad though. Not with these yet either.
Yeah.
So.
Speaking of crashing, another pro to these specific helmets, these XNITO helmets they're actually rated up to 28 miles per hour. They've got a whole different rating scale that the Dutch came up with for these helmets. Most of your standard bicycle helmets are only rated to 15 miles per hour, where these almost double it. Of course, being e-bike owners like we are, we've got almost 2,000 miles on our e-bikes, and there's been several times where we've done over 20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour, especially going down hills and stuff like that. So you want that extra protection. So since these are certified up to 28 miles per hour, that will cover your class 3 e-bikes, which is what we have. Our electrics could actually be class 1, 2, or 3 depending on the settings. So, but your class 3 e-bikes are the ones that are rated up to 28 miles per hour, so that's pretty nice.
Another great thing is they look heavy, but they're very, very lightweight, which I like because it doesn't hurt your neck or anything. So I was actually really surprised. I thought they were going to be heavy because of how they're rated, but they're super lightweight.
Right, they definitely are. They're actually lighter than our Cenas. We have Cena R1s that with the Bluetooth comms in them, and these are actually like 0.2 pounds lighter. Another pro is that you can actually accessorize this helmet. It comes with the visor, obviously, that we talked about earlier in the video, but you can also purchase a winter, like, I don't know, insert for the helmet.
Like a liner?
Yeah, a liner. That way, if you're riding in colder temperatures, it'll keep your head warm. So that's pretty cool.
The great thing is, you know, if you're riding on a hot day, there's actually 10 vents on here to help keep your head cool. I mean, you can kind of see them all, and which is nice. So someone who brings their summer with them appreciates the venting.
Right.
Another great thing is the visor is removable, and also like the inside padding and stuff. So if you're sweaty, you do crash, or it's raining, or something crazy happens, you're able to take that out and go ahead and wash it in the wash machine.
All right, we had to do a little reconfiguring. The wind started to pick up. So continuing on with the pros.
The styles. They have 7 different styles of helmets. I got the retro. I don't remember the name of the one you got.
I don't either. I don't remember the name of this one, but I'll pop up the different styles up on the screen for you so you can see them. There's like 7 different ones, so it's kind of nice to have different options. You're not restricted to just one solid color of helmet, so that's kind of nice.
Yep. You can get one that matches your bike or your personality or whatever, your favorite color. Another great thing is these fit really, really well.
They do. You know, our as you can see, the wind is picking up. We talked about our Cenas that we had, and those kind of fit a little bit sloppy when they're on. But these ones with the padding on the inside and the visor and then of course the dial on the back to tighten and loosen it, they fit really well. In fact, when we were riding them, they didn't move at all after we put them on. So
they stayed in place.
Pretty nice.
Which is what you want.
Yeah. All right, on to the cons, which we didn't really find too many cons, but there is a couple.
What's the biggest one?
The biggest one, I think we both agree on.
Yeah.
No communications at all on these. We really like our Cenas with the Bluetooth because we can communicate with each other. 99% of the time we're riding our e-bikes, we're riding together. And as full-time travelers, it's almost always in a brand new place that we've never ridden. So it's nice to be able to communicate with each other, talk about where we're going, where we need to turn.
It's just safety, you know.
Hazards in the road, cars, you name it, whatever. It's really nice. Plus, you know, we're not getting any younger. It's kind of a pain to crank your neck back behind you and try to talk to Jennifer, or if she's in front and she's trying to do it. So I think having no communications is definitely a big con on this. I did email the company, ask them if they have anything in the works, and I haven't got a response yet. So once I do get a response, if this video is posted already, I'll go ahead and throw it in the comments.
And then another con is the price. They're $150.
Yeah, a little bit more expensive.
A little bit more expensive, but you know, for the e-bikes and what we have, and probably what most full-timers have, a lot of them have other types of e-bikes, I think it's, you know, it's a good value, definitely for the price. You can get them for $135 if you use our affiliate. We're
gonna go ahead and put an affiliate link in the description of the video, and then you use the promo code No Sticks No Bricks, all capitalized, all one word, and you'll get $15 off. So it takes the price from $150 down to $135, so not too bad. That's worth an undamaged noggin, I'd say.
Definitely. And then the last con is really his. I didn't have any other cons, but for Jason, is he's not a big fan of the latch.
Yeah, it's got this funky latch system on it. You know, most of the time you got helmets, it's kind of just got like the little belt clip that kind of just connects like that, but this one's got this little side kind of deal clip, which is super easy when you don't have your helmet on and you can see it, but when you got your helmet on and it's below your chin and you can't see it and you're fumbling around with it, it's kind of a pain in the butt. But I think if I get used to it, like Jennifer did, it probably won't be that bad.
Yeah, I got used to it pretty easy. I kind of like its quick breakaway, so
yeah.
But he's not a big fan of it, but that's okay. He's a little bit slow sometimes.
All right, so wrapping up this review, my overall thoughts on this helmet is it's a really nice helmet. I really like it. If I'm riding my e-bike by myself, I'm definitely going to be wearing this helmet because I won't need any comms. It won't matter. If I'm riding with Jen and we're riding together, I'm probably going to stick with the Cena just so we can communicate. But we may have to look into some aftermarket Bluetooth communication devices for these helmets because, man, they really do fit well, and I like that extra added protection of being rated at 28 miles per hour.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like, definitely gonna order some comms because I want this to be my primary helmet. I like it, but until then, we'll just have to use the Cenas for communicating, unless we're in the RV park, which sometimes we don't do that if we're gonna run to the pool or just ride around the park just to scope things out. But for the most part, when we're together, we need to be able to communicate.
Yeah, so I think we both highly recommend this helmet for sure.
Definitely.
Want to thank XNITO for sending these helmets and allowing us to do the product testing and reviewing on these. We really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, safe travels.
Bye.